It's your microwave. Are you gonna cook something? Are you gonna get it hot in the microwave? Mm-hmm. Are you gonna wash your hands in the sink? Wash, wash, wash. And don't climb up there. You can wash your hands. Wash, wash, wash. Can you wash your hands? There you go. Open what? Open what? What do you want to open?
The water.
Oh, there's no water. It doesn't turn on. Can you open the dishwasher and the stove? Oh, you're gonna microwave your milk. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, is it all done now? Okay, is your drink in there? All done. Is that for me? Thank you. You want to put it up there? Okay, put it up there. Put it in the microwave. Beep, beep, beep.